This is day 10 of 30-day English speaking challenge. So from last 10 days I am continuously making videos how to speak English confidently and fluently. And now today is day 10. If you are following, well done, and you are gaining knowledge, and just start speaking and practicing yourself. So today is day 10 and we are going to talk about 4 or 5 things how we can improve our English speaking. And just today I was watching a video of Sandeep Maheshwari. So he talk about English speaking, how we can do. So he talk about the basic level, how he attach the English from our mother tongue, how we learn mother tongue. And my previous video I also talk about how we learn our mother tongue and how in the same way how we can improve our English speaking. So in this video I am going to talk some points like our language, our mother tongue language, how we learn. So we learn by observation, like when we started the lessons to reading in Hindi. Before that we learn Hindi. We started talking in Hindi. So how it's happened? Because when we are going to speak or learn English, this people are saying, or trainer or teacher are saying, listen, speak, read and write. This is the 4 pillar. So you have to follow 4. But the reading and writing is another part, and listening and speaking is another part. And what do you mean by English speaking? Speak English fluently. It is the mean that you want to speak, and another part is reading and writing. So there is a big problem when we speak Hindi. We are not going to think anything, just the words come in our mind and we speak. But when we started speaking English, so we just translate in my mind, we translate in our mind that yes, मुझे बाहर जाना है, I have to go outside. So if I have to say in English, so I will first think in Hindi, then I will translate in English. So the first thing we can do practice English, practice. But how we can practice, with whom, where we can practice? So the first thing which we can start doing is journaling. What is the mean of journaling? Whatever you have done in your entire day, from morning, you woke up in the morning at 6 or 7 or 5 am in the morning, whatever you are going to do, or whatever you have done in your entire day, just you have to write in a copy. I started journaling and I have done 2 months. Now I am not doing, but I am following another thing. So we have to do journaling. Then how it's going to benefit you? It's going to benefit you because if you are going to write, you are going to think in English and you are going to write on your notebook. So if you are sitting in a place alone, so you can also start thinking English. It means whatever you are going to do, like I am sitting there and I was thinking from 7 p.m. to record a video. So just I was searching a topic on which topic I can record myself. So all these things, whatever you are going to do, like suppose you are sitting alone and you are watching cell phone, you are watching short videos. So you maybe think now I am washing, and after half an hour or 1 hour I have to go to take breakfast. Then I have to go outside to meet my friend, and I have to go to the market to buy some essential things. You can think anything, whatever you are going to do, you can think. And one thing, you have to just use simple words. We don't have to use the complicated words and fancy words so it will look like good. No, we have to just think simple words, so it's going to benefit us. And we have to just start now. From today we can start. And most of the trainer or speakers suggest you can also talk call center, and you can share your problem. Just imagine a problem and how you can get solution of that problem. Just you have to talk. So there was a girl. She asked, if I am making any mistake during my speaking, so there may be I may be wrong, so who will do it correct? So they replied, yes, it's you may be wrong, but it's a good. If you are going to try, if you are going to do anything, you are going to make mistake, but we don't have to fear by mistakes. We have to do mistakes. After doing mistakes, you will realize that yes, this is a mistake I am doing, I have to improve it. And after doing lots of practice, you are going to improve yourself. So this was the thing which is very important to improve your English and speak English confidently. So in our day 10, we learn all these techniques to speak English. First, we have to absorb. It means if you are watching any types of videos on YouTube or anywhere, you have to just replace all these videos in English. If you are if you are watching videos in Hindi, podcast in Hindi, so you have to replace in English. You have to just start listening podcast in English. And you are sitting there, so you have to just think in English. I have to do like now after recording the video, I have to go outside on a shop to buy an oil, and then I have to return to my home. So I think it in English. So you can also start thinking in English. So thank you. I have shared this much of knowledge in this video, and this was our day 10 of English speaking challenge. So now be connected and visit our playlist on YouTube and just start implementing everything. So thank you for today. We will meet in next video. Thanks.